All right, the field on-the-job standards for Level 2 apprenticeship of a federal track. The Railroad Safety Inspector by the FRA, ONSNet code FR, 53605.1.07, Rapids code 2035HY, type of the hybrid, training hybrid. We're on the second year. The Level 2 Apprenticeship G707, Advanced General Discipline 200 to 252, Advanced Hazardous Material Discipline 200 to 350, Advanced Motive Power Equipment 300 to 350, Advanced Operating Procedure Discipline 300 to 350, Advanced Signal Training Control Discipline, and Advanced Track Discipline 250 to 350, total hours 1500 to 2000. Master of any of the following completions that may accurately complete the modules listed above. The performance, the on-the-job laying standards, level apprenticeship general, gain a broad understanding of the railroad safety rules given the comprehensive chapter 1 organization hit history of the general manual and the copy of the reg trieve CDs containing the railroad safety laws along with the necessary classification of the person designated with the regional administrator with the apprenticeship will. Precise contact report explaining the history of the purpose, correct title of each of the following: Safety Appliances Act, Hours Service Act, Accident Report Act, Locomotive Inspection Act, Signal and Inspection Act, Federal Railroad Safety Act of 1970. Given the detailed understanding of the FRA compliance process, given the comprehensive study of the Chapter 1 organization history of the General Manual, cross-referencing for Title 49, Part 209, Appendix A, the apprenticeship will, to satisfaction of the person designated by the regional administrator, will the concise report brief, the paragraph describing each of the following enforcement tools, emergency orders, safety advisories, compliance orders, and compliance agreements. Given in the understanding of the FRA's legal requirements, given the study of the Chapter 2 legal behavior requirements of the General Requirement Manual, the apprenticeship will, to satisfaction of the person designated by the regional administrator, or they describe the FRA's policy for the following topics covered by the standards, criminal statutes, railroad stock, financial disclosure, reporting, and the weapons. For gaining an understanding of the FRA's legal requirements, given the study of the Chapter 2 legal and behavioral requirements of the General Manual, the apprenticeship will, to the satisfaction of the person designated by the regional administrator, write a report consisting of the concise opening paragraph listing 4 the preferred behaviors of an inspector obligated to demonstrate the dealings with the public and regulated community. Write a report consulting with the concise opening paragraph listing of 4 behaviors to avoid when the inspector is dealing with the public and regulated community. Orally describe the FRA's policy for the following topics covered with the standards: intervening with the railroad employees performing the unsafe acts, handling the deterrence, the inspection, using credentials, refusal to permit an investigation, forcible resistance in the performance of the duty, interfering with an investigation, and strike and labor disputes. 5. Gaining a detailed understanding of how the FRA inspectors apply the enforcement discretion. Given the study of Chapter 3, Inspection, Civil Penalties, and Recommendations, General Manual, cross-referencing Title 40 CFR Part 209, Appendix A, the apprenticeship will, satisfaction, person administrator designated with the regional administrator, write the report concise with the consignment for the opening paragraph list and 7 factors inspector consideration, making decision regarding the recommendation civil penalties against railroads. 6. Giving a detailed understanding of the FRA compliance process, giving the comprehensive study of the Chapter 3 of the General Manual, the cross-reference Title 49, Part 209, Appendix A, the apprenticeship will, to the satisfaction of the person designated by the regional administrator, orally describe the purpose of each of the following enforcement tools. Note the apprenticeship will provide with examples how many of them may be applied: special notices, repairs, civil penalties against railroad, civil penalties against the individual verbal interventions, individual liability, regional warning letter, disqualifications of individual, and higher level 1L actions. 7. Gaining an understanding of the FRA policies and procedures regarding certain investigations. Given in the detailed Chapter 4, the Accident Investigation Guidelines Chapter, and Chapter 5, compliant with the Water Investigation General Manual, along with the necessary classifications of the person designated with the regional administrator with the person apprenticeship will prepare a concise report describing each of the following types of investigation: accident investigation, fatality investigation, lax investigation, compliant investigation, waiver investigation, petitions, waiver procedures. Gaining an understanding of the FRA civil penalties, given the detailed study of the improvement of the civil penalty enforcement memo contained in the General Manual, and along with any of the necessary classification person designated with the regional administrator with the person apprenticeship will, provided with detailed oral briefing of the key elements contained in the memo. 9. Gaining understanding of personal safety concerns prior to the giving of the railroad yard, shipping facility, intermodule facility, tanker car shopping facility. Note, in addition with the task safety briefing, the conducting daily brief prior to the commencing of any work the railroad environment as often necessary with the conditions changing during the work assignment. Given a visit to the railroad yard or shipping the facility, intermediate module facility, in-tank car shopping, car shop, a discussion relatively to the inherent safety concerns and personal receiving orientation. Will observe and describe the safety rules regarding with the operative of a POV and a GOV railroad shipping property, the emergency evacuation rail, lace up safety boots, preferably 6 inches high, safety glasses at the side, and shields, hard hat, hearing, protecting, stepping, sitting in the railway, switch and frog on track, prudency, standing, walking on the gauge of the track, walking around, end of the standing of the round, rolling equipment awareness, unexpected movement of cars, locomotives, equipment at any time, any other direction of any time, passing through the railroad, rolling equipment, mounting and dismounting railroad rolling equipment, FRA prohibition on operating railroad equipment, using the buddy system, watch out for each other's safety. Level 3 apprenticeship GSO 9.